In the movie Saving Private Ryan, directed by Steven Spielberg, a group of US soldiers go behind enemy lines to find a paratrooper whose brothers have been killed in war. The movie delivers an important message and gives a great impact on the audience. A couple of aspects that contributed to the authenticity of the movie are the placement of camera angles, the impact of colors, and the high volume and sounds of the scenes. In the following scene, you will see the placement of the camera angles that Spielberg used in order to maximize the experience of the movie. The camera goes from a point of view position to a low angle camera placement very quickly in order to give the viewer a glance of what it was like to experience the perception of a US soldier. Spielberg used a lot of shots in the following scene so that the viewer can feel the intimidating times of war. Spielberg used colors as a way of impacting the viewer. As you will see in the following scene, the brightness of the red color of blood really represents the catastrophic scenes that a soldier might experience. It shows the fatal realities that people might have not expected to see in a movie. Finally, the use of sounds and volume in the movie was an important element that Spielberg used to instill suspension and contemplation. In the following scene, the roaring of a lion was used to demonstrate that something bad was coming. The roaring is also supposed to symbolize that something alarming was on its way. It gives the audience the feel of anticipation and fear for what the soldiers are about to endure.
Disperse, you know what to do. Rabbit, get on the rabbit.
Yes, sir. Up and get some cover.
Right. Check the dead. Now listen, Henderson, lock and load. Everybody check your ammo.
Good luck, Rabbit. I don't need any luck, Sarge. I was born lucky.
Flag tracer.
Yeah, tracers point both ways.
Yeah, well, I'll check the headspace, and she shall come.
Off them! Hustle up!
To summarize, Saving Private Ryan was one of Spielberg's best movies. It won several awards, including 4 Academy Awards for Best Cinematography, Best Sounds, Best Film Editing, and Best Director. Camera angles, sound editing, and the impact of colors were major aspects that contributed to the success of the film. Saving Private Ryan touches upon important elements that a successful movie must have. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.